Welcome, everyone, to another episode of Tech Talk Dive. Today, we're delving into an exciting and evolving subject, GitHub. You might be wondering, what's so exciting about GitHub? Well, if you're a developer, you probably already know it as the epicenter for collaborating on software projects. But there's so much more to discuss. So let's start off with the basics. GitHub is essentially a platform that utilizes Git, the version control system, to help developers manage and store their code. Imagine you're working on a huge puzzle. If you didn't have a system to keep track of where each piece goes, you'd end up with a chaotic mess, right? That's where Git and GitHub come in. They help you keep everything organized and streamline teamwork. Now, think of GitHub not just as a code repository, but as a vibrant community. It allows developers to share their work, get feedback, and collaborate with others around the globe. It's pretty much a social network for coders. You can follow your favorite developers, star projects you love, and even contribute to open source projects. Speaking of which, GitHub Sponsors allows you to support those open source developers directly. How cool is it that we can help fund the projects we rely on every day? Let's dive deeper. One of the most powerful features GitHub offers is its ability to automate workflows. Remember how traditionally a software release could take ages? GitHub's actions let you automate the tedious stuff, from testing code to deploying apps, which, let's be honest, saves developers so much stress. It's almost like having a little robot helping you out. And here's something interesting. GitHub is not just for coding experts. It has a treasure trove of resources, like the README project, which offers community articles and guides. That means even if you're a newbie, there's a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. It's like having a mentor 24/7 ready to guide you through your challenges. So let's take a moment to switch gears and ponder. What do you think is the future of development platforms like GitHub? With AI continuing to transform the tech landscape, how will developers adapt? It's a loaded question, but it's one worth considering as we move forward. As we wrap up, here are a few key insights to take away. GitHub is more than just a code repository. It's a collaborative community that empowers developers. It's instrumental in automating workflows and offers numerous resources for learning and growing in your coding journey. And don't forget to explore GitHub Sponsors if you want to contribute to the open source projects you love. Thank you for tuning in to this episode. I hope you found our discussion insightful and a little inspiring. Don't forget to visit GitHub and discover all the possibilities waiting for you. Until next time, keep coding and stay curious.